Hey, we got a Salem right here with 3 slides, outdoor kitchen to die for. Look at this. Ooh-wee. Wait till you see this floor plan. This is the trailer. Solid steps, LED lighting, 2 bedrooms. Wait till you see. You got your own private bedroom. This trailer's clean, guys. Look at this. I'm not even kidding. I hope I'm doing it justice for you. Woo-wee. All right, this is the part right here. This is why. Look at this, 4 beds. They got this room. This is bigger than most kids' beds. That couch will full into a full bed, but look at this. Oh.